Everybody, welcome to another Ritz Iron Horse video. Today we're going to pretty much be installing the Sissy bar. Or I'm putting the back rack on. I've already been testing the Sissy bar, you could say. But it came in drag specialist packaging, but it's actually a Chromework Sissy bar. So keep that in mind when you're buying stuff like that. Sometimes they kind of interchange. This was about $107 off Dennis Kirk. About 19 inches total, and it fits the OEM Harley side plates just fine. If I remember right, it's a 5/8. If not, I'll put a correction in the video. But I don't know if you can see that. Chrome works. I left these tabs on here to pretty much, kind of take up some slack. But we have a trip coming up, and I figured this is going to be the best way to go. I wanted a big 30-inch, but I'm kind of glad I just went with this one. Like I said, I think it's 19 inches total. And today, we're doing the installation on it because I put my back rack back on for a duffel bag we're going to be having on our trip. So, you don't need very many tools. Phillips head to get the seat off. And, if I remember, this is a T30 Torx. You shouldn't be doing that. Have a table, anything else besides that, because if that falls down, scratch your paint. Also, magnetic tray. That helps when you're keeping track of bolts. So, take this back out. That back in. And we'll get her all set up and mocked up. Now, anytime you're putting bolts on, use Loctite. Because those two actually work themselves out eventually, and I tighten them down pretty good. So I'll be right back because I gotta get that. So my Loctite must be in the storage unit. So we're gonna have to retake these out after I torque them in there a little bit and put Loctite on them. Unfortunately, probably later on today when I take a ride. You probably won't see a moto vlog for another week. I've been waiting for my rock to get here, my Atlas 2, which I would have got here today actually, but they don't deliver to a PO box apparently. So. But anyways, we're going to start the installation. The trick is to get everything lined up. That's basically your majority of everything on bikes. Really, I probably should be covering most of my paint, but there we go. Sometimes you're better off bending down and kind of looking in the holes. There we go, there's one. And we'll do the other side. That lined up nicely. Thing is, at the back rack, it actually adds like a locking screw type of deal because of the concave it has in it. But we'll still Loctite these bolts after I'm done. I've actually tapped the Sissy bar in my boot a few times. We do have to get a pad. I actually have a duffel bag kind of on the way that we're just going to strap to the back. As much as I would like to say like a Kirok and vagabond bag. I'm just saving it as being cheap about it for right now. I bought enough bike parts this year. This year we're going to do the suspension in this thing. So I still have to drain and change the oil. And we're going to do that the lazy man's way, so I'll only do a video on that when we go to actually do a full fork service. Because after this year it'll need it. Like I said, you want to actually put something around on your paint, like on that back fender here. Unless you're going to be really careful, not drop tools. So. Now the torque on these bolts, I assume aren't too much, if there's a torque at all, but usually everything does have a torque. But it's pretty solid. Maybe next year I'll be switching out the seat too. I haven't really decided what I want there yet. I think this is a Sundowner. It's a genuine Harley seat, whatever it is. It's still comfortable, but it's getting to the point where it's showing its age. I'll probably take it off for a year and redo it eventually. When I bought this bike, I didn't know much about it. A lot of cosmetic upgrades were done to it. So your pro tip of the day, take your fingers down in here, run the screwdriver between them, put your screwdriver on the screw. There you go. No scratch paint. That's going to be it for this video today. So when I get the Atlas, which will be tomorrow from the looks of it, we'll do a unboxing, we'll do a first impression, and then we'll doing a ride video. Might be another week before that video comes out though. So, alright guys, stay heathen. Remember, support Ritz Iron Horse.